Welcome back to Keto Journey with Mike. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. Well, I'm going to make some burgers, but it's not going to be a classic burger. I'm going to use mild Italian sausage. This is a pound of it, and I'm going to make roughly quarter-pound burgers, if I could estimate. I'm not going to weigh them, I'm going to eyeball it. So, the reason why mild, well, Paige, if you ever watch my channel, Paige don't do spicy. Paige is my wife. So, gonna get these made up and prepared to go on the stove, cook up. Stick around and let's see how they turn out. All right, here's how I'm gonna divide it up. I'm gonna cut it. That's roughly half, and I'll do half of this. And then half of this. That'll give me roughly 2-pound burgers. Now I'm not going to season these up because I want the Italian sausage flavor. And if I'm afraid if I season them up more than what they already are, I'll lose that. So I'm just going to go with it. I'm going to form them up, get them pressed out here. And then I'll put them in the fridge just to get chilled, and then at supper time they'll be ready to go. I'm thinking it might help them by putting it in the fridge and letting them sit in there for a little bit. It might help them to hold together. Although I think there's enough fat in here to where it won't be a problem with that. Although if you've ever done sausage, you usually end up with, at least I do, lately, I end up with less rendering in the pan for it than I do with some ground beef. So go figure it out. And they say 75-25 or 73-27, whatever it is what it is. I think they might be fudging it, Mike. But then again, what do I know? I just work here. I'm chief cook and bottle washer here. So point me in the direction of the kitchen and I'm happy. All right, we got them ready. Gonna put them in a container so they'll firm up good for when we cook them. So stick around, we're gonna cook them up. Alrighty, let's put our Italian sausage burgers down. Oh, love that sizzle. All that's in the pan is a little bit of olive oil. More for flavor. Which it won't interfere with the flavor of the meat. It'll just enhance it. Now, we let her cook until she's ready to flip. Alrighty, so we've turned it over here. Let's turn this one over. Let's see if this one's ready. It was one of the last ones. That's close enough. And this was the last one, I think. There you go. Looking good. We just let them cook on this side for a while now, and let the inside get done too. Unlike with beef, best to cook it all the way through. Okay, you can see what I was talking about here. I mean, we got olive oil in there, and this produced a little bit of its own grease, but not a lot. So it's, you know, that's what I was talking about here. The ground beef is producing more grease than this. So, and this has got a lot of fat in it. All you gotta do is touch it and you can feel the fat. So I don't know why it doesn't produce more. There may be some kind of scientific explanation. If anybody knows it, put it in the comments. Okay, these are done. I put some white American cheese on there that I got in the deli. This is not the wrap cheese. This is the deli cheese. And I'm going to get a paper plate to put these on. I'll be right back. The lovely Miss Page has consented to do a taste test for us. That's the slaw I made for it. And those are Italian sausage burgers. We got a thumbs up. Might have been a two yums up, but her hands were full. So, yep. Did the Italian sausage because Italian sausage was cheaper than the ground beef.
And it's much more tasty.
Oh yeah, you get a lot of flavor from the Italian sausage. And I didn't season it up anymore because I didn't want to kill that flavor. And if I'd have put anything else in it, it probably would have overshadowed the Italian sausage flavor, and that's what I wanted. So, and I figured it's,
I'm sorry.
No,
it's
go ahead.
definitely a different texture, of course.
Right, yeah.
But really good.
It's denser than a regular burger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty, there you have it, folks. Turned out well. She loved it, and I'm telling you, if she didn't, she'll sure enough tell you, because there's enough of them videos out here on here that you can look at that she'll tell you real quick. It wasn't my best effort. So, till the next time, let's be careful out there.